Hey guys, check out what we got here. This is the 1905, or this one's marked 1907. This is the Harpers Ferry Dixie Gun Works Pedersoli kit gun that we picked up. And we got it because one of the kids saw it and thought it'd be really cool to shoot. And historically speaking, this replica was made as a smoothbore in .54 caliber, and this one, the Pedersoli, is 58 caliber. I think so. Yeah, 58 caliber, and yeah, there we go. And it's got a grooved barrel. They got the rifling in it, so you can see what this looks like. It's real rough. You can see on the back strap over here, look at that. But the wood looks awesome. And the kids started working on it. You can see right here where they started sanding, you know, to match. This was all high wood, and we just sanded it down. Now everything's even. The lock work, as it came from the armory down in Harpers Ferry, I think it was Virginia, was the first armory to make a pistol in this country, in America. And it didn't come with the color case hardening. See that? So we started back on this end removing the color case hardening with just a little bit of 1000 grit sandpaper and some oil, and it's going to come out looking blued, or I'm sorry, not blued. It's going to come out looking in the white, just like the barrel was. So we've already disassembled the gun. The gun is in great condition. The lock work. Let's see if I can get the barrel out. There's the barrel. We already took the barrel out. We already, and you can see it was real rough. We already started to draw file some of these flats over here. We did the bottom just a little bit, and just to remove some of the rough tooling marks. It sparked good. The frizzing in the pan, they look like they're going to need a little bit of work, but I'm not going to do a video on this, like a whole series, because there's Mike Bellevue, Duelist, it was in 1954. He did a really good series. I don't think I could even come close to matching what he did with his. I think it was his was a Kentucky flintlock. Really nice set of videos. I think he had a 3-part video. It was awesome the way he did it. But yeah, we just got our files out, and basically all you got to do is file everything down, file a lot of wood down, and that's what we're doing here. You know, do the filing, and then we might do some of the frizz in the pan work, because when you hold a strong light behind, when you close the frizzing, you hold a strong light to it. You see we close this guy up. You can see through in this little gap in here, and that's not that good. I want to make it so it's pretty tight, close fit. So we have some work to do with it. I think we'll just do a little bit we'll do it before and after. So here's the before, so you guys can kind of get a look at it. And then, let's see if I can pop this off with one hand. Yeah, everything's already been taken apart. See? I just got it on this bag of steel wool so we can get a better look at it. See? I mean, the internals look really nice. Really clean. They're not that rough. But of course, there's always work to do to them. You see? And hey, it came with, I guess they all come with the flint already in place. I got a couple extra flints anyway. And they have it wrapped in a piece of lead. Really cool. So, again, this is the Harpers Ferry kit we got from Dixie Gun Works. The kids are going to put this together, so it's going to be something fun. This might take a couple months, maybe a month or so. The rate they're going, they're knocked into it, so they just kind of start knocking it out. They already got one of the side plate. Look at that, already buffed out. Working on buffing that out. So it might take a month or so, and we'll do some videos shooting it. So if you guys are ever interested in getting a kit like this, I'd say go ahead and get it. I mean, look at that. The front sight on that's really nice. They soldered that in really nice. There's no rear sight, you know, keeping it with the original. But the only thing is you can't see it. But let me see if I can get somebody to hold this barrel for me. And we'll shine a light down into it and see if you can see the rifling on the barrel. There you go. Kinda. Maybe. I don't know if you guys can catch that. Let me see. Well, trust me, it's rifled. It's a good rifling. It looks okay. It doesn't look that deep, but then again, it's not a target gun. So, but it'll do, you know, 25 yards. I've shot one of these before. A buddy had a replica, really cool. That's what got us into it. So follow us if you want. I think we'll only do 1 or 2 videos. This is, we just started. Did some fun, they already did some sanding on the front. And we're just going to sand it all down and give it a couple of coats of tung oil. I think we're going to use tung oil. We'll see. And you can see how rough the casting is. But that's what this one looked like until we started. You can see it's still got a little bit of scratches in it, but we're working on it. You can see how nice, I mean, it's beautiful the way it shines up. So follow us if you guys have any questions about the kit and where we got it. Well, Dixie Gun Works. If you have any other questions, if you guys want any other pictures on it, let me know and I'll send them over to you. But it's a high quality gun. Pedersoli makes some really good guns. So if you guys are thinking about getting one, this is good. The Kentucky Flintlock, that's a really neat gun. Lyman has a couple of neat ones too. I've never shot them, but I just saw them and they were an option. But we just picked this one up. So we're going to work on it and hopefully we'll put an update video up. Till later.